Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hashir Ayaz. I am the student of Ryan School, Islamabad Affiliate Campus at Foundation level. So, we are today my sixth TEDx on the topic of making peace is a marathon. May Khalil. Hello, everyone. Today I am reading the inspiring TEDx talk Making Peace is a Marathon by Mohammad Khalil. This talk is not just about running. It is about peace, resilience, leadership, and the power of unity. Beings by sharing her background from Lebanon, a country that has faced war, division, and political conflict for many years. She explains that despite all these differences, there is one day each year when people from all backgrounds come from together in peace. The day of the Beirut Marathon. What makes this history even more powerful is her personal journey. May herself used to be a marathon runner, but one day while training, she was hit by a bus in a terrible accident. She nearly died, remained in the hospital for 2 years, and underwent dozens of surgeries. Doctors told her she might never run again. Many people would have given up after such a tragedy, but May chose a different path. She decided that if she could no longer run herself, she would create opportunities for others to run. From her hospital bed, she began planning what later became the Butte Marathon. My answer this question with one simple strategy. She built trust, she traveled across the country, met people from every background, listened to their stories, and shared her own. She connected with them not politically or religiously but human to human. Eventually, thousands joined the Butte Marathon become more than a race. It became a symbol of hope even during times of crisis. Her most powerful message is this: pacemaking is not a sprint, it is more of marathon. This means peace does not happen instantly. It requires patience. It requires endurance. May Khalil teach us that even pain can be transformed into purpose. She turned her tragedy into a movement. She turned suffering into service. She turned a marathon into a message of peace. In conclusion, this TEDx reminds us that unity is possible even in divided communities. One person can create massive change, and peace like success require endurance. Thank you. So, viewer, this is my sixth TEDx on the topic of marathon by May Khalil. So, Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan.